Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am finally doing the much avoided guest closet. So when we first moved into our house here in Nashville a year ago, we just pretty much unpacked everything like very, very fast and not really in an organized fashion, especially in our guest closet. So I finally got around to organizing it. And so that's what I'm gonna show you today. So this was the state of the guest closet. Ignore the shuttering. I don't know what was going on. It was a mess though. Side note, I did bring a snack to the room to accompany me, and that's these good crisp sour cream and onion, like Pringle type chips. They're just like a little healthier. I got them at the turnip truck, very exciting. I don't know why I was craving them, but I was. So we took out everything from the closet. That was our first step. I think that is like the most important thing that you can do, or at least that I feel like I can do when I'm cleaning an area, is removing everything, because then it allows you to not only like start with a clean slate, but also obviously take inventory of everything that you have. I feel like if you have areas like this in your house, you might be like me, where stuff just kind of starts piling up and you're like, when did I put that there? How did that end up there? So yeah, we had decor items and luggage and ladders and, blankets and towels and, a friggin' keyboard stand, a clothing rack, just like so many random things in this closet, a computer holder, cords, a window fan, just all kinds of stuff that we hadn't found a place for. So we took everything out and just kind of evaluated our stash of stuff while Bowser stood nearby and watched and did nothing to help. So at this point, we started to bring the towels back into the closet, but realized very fast that the folding method that I was doing was not like appropriate for the storage of our towels. So Dan and I decided to fold the towels into thirds so that we could fit 3 rows of towels in this random open shelf area. It was super nice just like making decisions for our stuff, like the specific areas, whereas before it was kind of just like the whole closet, like, oh, all towels go in here, all blankets go in here, this is great. But deciding on a really specific area and way to store them felt really nice. On that bottom shelf, by the way, we decided to store hand towels and like cleaning rags. So that's what that bottom shelf turned into. And then we went back out to the bedroom area and pulled together all of the blankets. I have quite a few of the most amazing blankets in the world, because to those of you that don't know, my mom owns a blanket company called Don't Freak, It's Faux. I know, cutest name ever. And they're faux fur blankets. And they're also the softest blankets in the world. And I have been the lucky recipient of many of them over the years. So we gathered together all of our blankets. I continued to fold like the little washcloth towel thingies, put those away. We took inventory of our sheets. And I actually forgot I had gotten this like microfiber cloth pack from Amazon. So I decided on an area to store those. I want to start using those for cleaning. I haven't yet, but hopefully it's in my future, guys. Hopefully it's in my future. And then we have these random like tilt pillows, like for your knees, that we got when we were in physical therapy last year. And so we stored those, stored all of our extra pillows, and yeah, just put them on up there. Okay, so Dan and I actually had to take a break the other day because didn't we have somewhere to go or something?
We went to the concert.
That's right. We went to the concert the other day. We went to my friend Abby's concert. So we stopped what we were doing and we haven't gotten back to it because we've kind of been dreading it. I've kind of been dreading it. So today is the day. We're gonna wrap up this concert or this closet situation.
We still don't want to do it, but we're leaving out of town and someone's sleeping in this room.
So yeah, let's get this show on the road. Also, what verdict's out on these overalls? Yes? No? Kind of cute? Hey! I've got cookies waiting for me downstairs when we're done, by the way. Hey! They're double chocolate cookies, by the way. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, they're amazing. They were so good. Anyways, okay, so we got back into the flow of it and continued sorting through everything, all of our towels, random linen stuff. I had a couple like extra rugs because sometimes I switch them out as I'm cleaning them in the bathroom. Some duffel bags from a Southwest flight where my bag was like too heavy, and so they're really nice. They will sell like these $25 duffel bags to separate your bags up so you don't pay like $100 in overweight fees. So yeah, stacked those. And then I went through my little decor box and decided what I wanted to keep, what I wanted to throw away or give away, how I wanted things to be stored, and just really organize that box. And at this point, Dan opened up the attic. Now, some of you might laugh because our attic is kind of what our guest closet was prior to this clean out. It's kind of a dumping ground, but it's a dumping ground for things that I know we still want that we don't have a desire to get rid of yet. It's just like kind of a random crap hole. That's probably not a good word to describe that, but it's a lot of random stuff up there, including like memories like this. This is like a high school photo collage thing that my friends from high school made me when we were in high school. How many times can I say the word high school? Yes, I know. I was the whitest person ever. Not a surprise to me. And then Dan brought up the box that we had done with decor stuff. So one of these days we'll get through the attic. Maybe we'll film a video about that if it's not freaking freezing or if it's not super hot that day, because that day it was so hot. So came back down, posed on the ladder like a boss, like an organizing boss. And then I just continued packing boxes with things. I had a couple physical therapy things that I wanted to store, but didn't need downstairs at the moment. But I know like I spent money on this and I will probably utilize it again one day. So just continued packing bags and boxes to take upstairs to the attic, and voila. Guys, I don't know if you can tell in this video how much better our closet is, but it is so much easier to navigate now and see what is what and where everything is. And now it's so easy to access what I want when I need it. And we have a ton of space for when guests visit. So as I always say, I hope this video wasn't boring or pointless. But you guys have told me so many times you want to keep seeing when I clean and declutter. I'll probably be filming another cleaning video soon. My house needs like a full scrub down. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you did like it so I know. Don't forget to check out my last few videos, and if you feel like it, and I'll see you guys back here soon. Okay, bye.